Twice Dahyun snagged Once's hearts with her looks in the latest New York Fashion Week. With her attendance, fans raved over her in a forum and expressed their awe. Here's what people are saying. On February 16, Twice Dahyun attended the New York Fashion Week, gracing the event with her alluring aura and cutout dress. Photo, Twitter, @popbella_com. The fashion event showcases Michael Kors' 2023 Fall/Winter Collection show, which will be presented in a runway. When Dahyun arrived, it didn't take her long to be the main focus of netizens because of her gorgeous visuals. The idol quickly stormed social media, where fans were quick to react on her video clips, photos, and appearances. Twice as fandom onces flocked together on social media, pointing out Dahyun's stunning visuals and black cutout dress. Seeing her photos, fans stated that Dahyun has now solidified her status as bias wrecker. Photo, Twitter, @popbella_com. Photo, Twitter, @popbella_com. See their reactions below. Furthermore, Dahyun is just one of the idols who attended the New York Fashion Week. Other K-pop artists including NCT 127 Johnny, Eric Nam, and SNSD Hyoyeon also joined the event in separate days. On November 28, 2022, Dahyun uploaded a vlog which documented her travel to New York for its Fashion Week. The idol expressed her excitement, stating she was invited to a fashion show for the first time. Photo, Dahyun Instagram. Dahyun also presented her outfit of the day proudly to Onces, wearing a coat from Michael Kors and a pair of boots. She also brought out her favorite bag. Afterwards, Dahyun shared that it's her first time stepping foot in New York, and she'll do her best to record as much as she can. On the following morning, Dahyun shared her activities on the fashion show. The idol first went to the Michael Kors HQ for fitting, ate meals, and take photos on the Brooklyn Bridge with the sunset as background. Dahyun then revealed they shot 1,800 photos and in the end, they only picked 4 photos. At the vlog's climax, Dahyun expressed her gratitude to the Michael Kors fashion show for inviting her. Did you fall in love with Dahyun's visuals? Tell us in the comments below. Sources: 1-2. In case you missed it, this Twice member causes hysteria at Milan Fashion Week for her jaw-dropping beauty.